subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So guys, I'm going to use my voice for this part. So on my previous videos I've explained how to use Photopea, so you can go back and check. So what we do now is I'm going to click on this layer icon here to edit the top and the side. So we're going to click on this layer here. So we're going to select the top label. The top label is the round part of the cover, of the body cream cover. So we're going to double click on it. So when you double click on it, you're going to click on File, then select Open and Place. When you select Open and Place, select Download, then select the first design we made on pixelLab, which is the round, you understand, the round PNG there. So we're going to select the round one, then wait for it to load. So when it loads, it might waste time depending on your device or network service. So you can adjust, you just adjust the size. When you don't adjust there, you can click on the OK button there. So the reason I'm saying adjust, you might do it and it will not be able to show well, so you have to adjust it very, very well. Understand? So save as smart object when you're done adjusting. I did a mistake, so I'm going to click on edit and step backward, which is Ctrl Z on PC. So you can see it has come back. So the next thing we'll do is save as smart object again. Then you can see, click on the body scrub. You can see it's already fits now. So I'm going to edit the side label, which is the downside. So we're going to click on layer again, then select the bottom label, double click on it, then click on File, Open and Place, then select the second design we made on pixelLab. That's what you do. So when you select the second design, you adjust again. So we're going to be selecting Edit, then you scroll down, select Transform. Under Transform, you select Scale. When you select Scale, then you will now adjust it, like make it rhyme with the yellow label that was there before. Adjust the size so it will fit the yellow label, because that is the same design, like the same size it has to be. If it exceeds that size, it might not be clear, so some parts might be cut out. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on the OK button when you're done with the adjusting. So when you click on the OK button, you save as smart object. You have to remember to save as smart object. If not, if you don't do that, it will not appear well. Your file, your work would not be saved. So you see it. So you're done with the second, which is the bottom label. So guys, it's as simple as this. There's no stress in using Photopea. So the next thing we'll do, we're going to save our work. You're going to click on File, then select Export As. I'm going to save this one as PNG, but I would advise you to save as JPG. Yeah, JPG. So when you're done, click on Save, then Download. So you can save as JPG, save as GIF, PDF, as any format you want to. So guys, let's see how the work looks like. Boom. So guys, I hope if you enjoyed this video, I was expecting you to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Have a nice day guys.